back to my channel. I'm Ego Trippin', and I am back with another video. Today I'm coming to you guys with the... What is this damn box? Today I'm coming to you guys with a premium box for February from Boxycharm. This box is $39. I don't know. I'll put it down below. But it comes with 6 full-size products, and we finna hop into this box. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my premium base box for the month of February, then let's get into it. They got the same theme, okay? It is Be My Clementine. And of course they have the name of the product and the prices on the back, on the Bizak. Yeah, let's get into it. So they redeemed themselves. If y'all watched that video, I don't know which video going up first, but the base box was February. Sucked. Oh, it sucked. It sucks. So I was definitely happy to see this beautiful palette right here. Okay, this is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette, and this is going for $67. Now, this took care of the box itself. So this is what I'm talking about, and I know that I do understand that we're not gonna get everything that we want, but dang it, it's a bummer when you don't. It's just, I don't know. I feel sad when I get. Let me just shut up. I feel a type of way when I get a box full of skincare. So let's get into this. Let me shut up. Let me not worry about and talk about that damn base box. Let's get into this palette. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. It has a mirror right here. So freaking beautiful. Y'all better shut up. Look at these colors. Let's swatch them. It's so pretty. I don't even want to swatch them. Look at that. Oh, we definitely gonna do a look with that. We finna do a look. Well, not right now. We gonna do a look. Let me swatch some of these colors. I want to get into this right here. Yeah. Let me see. Ooh, wee. That's so pretty. We're gonna do it right here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's dig into this matte right here. This burgundy color. Ooh, wee. I'm sorry, I didn't even show y'all. Oh, they sliding on. Ooh, they're so creamy, so pretty. I get so excited, y'all. Let's go into this gold shade right here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Beautiful. I'm gonna do one more. So pretty, so freaking pretty. Let's do this purple right here. Yeah, we're gonna. No, yeah, I think that's a purple. That's so pretty. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this purple right here. Uh-oh, don't drop it. Damn it. Look what I did. Goofy. That's all right. It's still usable. Which one did I? Okay, so I just did this one right here before I damn near dropped it. That's so pretty. I don't know if that's a dark purple. I don't know, but we're gonna do that one right here. Beautiful. Gorgeous. So pretty. So yeah, we're not gonna, y'all know I be trying to spend hours on the damn palette on the video, and I can't spend hours on here like that. This is the palette, so I'm very excited to get that. Gorgeous, beautiful. This right here paid for the box itself, so I'm very happy to receive that. All right, moving on is the Astrology Detox. No, I know that the devil is a lie. Oh, wrong card. If I would have had another Astrology in here, I would have canceled everything. All the boxes would have been canceled today. Wrong card. All right, so the next product in the box is the Dime Beauty Co. And this is a new brand of Boxy. I don't know what that is. It's $44. Okay, so this is an eyelash boost serum. I'm not going to open it up, because once you open it up, tick tock, time is ticking. And I don't know if I'm gonna use, I don't even know if I'm gonna use this, but I don't. Do I have? I don't think I have an eyelash serum. So this is eyelash. Time is ticking. And I don't know if I'm gonna use, I don't even know if I'm gonna use this, but I don't. Do I have? I don't think I have an eyelash serum. So this is an eyelash serum, and again, this is going for $44. It says, grow your own natural food and beautiful long lashes with the help of the best-selling Eyelash Boost Serum. Improve length, density, and strength of hair, overall follicles health with the proprietary blend and amino acid and peptides. So, okay, I can use that. I can definitely use that for my lashes, so that's dope. All right. Moving on to the Christopher Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. This is for hair. I'm assuming this is a good product because I heard a couple of people say that it was, but again, not feeling it. This is going for $39. Again, it's nothing against the brand. It's nothing against the brand at all. I just don't. When it comes to hair products in the boxes, you guys, I hope and pray that you guys understand that it's nothing personal. I don't use products that I'm not familiar with in my hair. I just don't. I don't use products that I'm not familiar with in my hair. Again, don't take it personal. It is what it is. So I'm sure it's some good stuff, okay, for you guys, but it's just not going to work for me, which is fine. So this is going for $39, all right? This is that. The next product is the Moonlit Makeup Prime for the Night. And this is it right here. And let me read up on this. It says, an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting color wherever you eventually leave. What is this? It's a new launch, and it's going for $18. It's an eyeshadow primer. I'm finna open it up. Oh, okay, I can dig that. Let me see. I'm definitely, I don't know, it's kind of like a look. It's a clear. We'll try it. It's clear. I'll definitely try this. I'm interested in knowing, I'm interested in seeing how it does with my eyeshadow. So, okay. This makeup, I can dig that, and I don't mind trying new brands. I don't mind trying new brands. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this for sure. I'm spitting. I'm definitely excited for this for sure though. So that is that. The next product is Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. This is the makeup melt, and it is a makeup remover spray with skincare benefits. And this is also new to Boxy. This is going for $24. This is cool. The next product in the box, which is the last product in the box, is the Uma Beauty Badass MF Lip Liner. This is it right here. And this is going for $16. Again, I'm not even going to go to it. Y'all know, if you've been watching the channel, and if you, let me just catch you up to speed. I have a personal issue with, oh, it might show on my lips. Well, I'm not going to do it today. I don't know, that might go on my lips. If so, I would be definitely happy. But I don't know. I typically receive liners this shade that really doesn't show up on my lip, on my skin tone. Hopefully this does. I'm not gonna try it out right now. It might show up. If it don't, then it is what it is. So that is that. That is that for the box. So they end up sending me 2 duplicate products. So they sent me 2 different items to replace those, which I am grateful for, and I can appreciate that. They sent me this palette right here, which I did this look today, which you can barely see it. It was really quick, and I threw it on. So we definitely gonna check this out. I love this palette. So they sent me, let me get this correct for y'all so y'all can understand. In my base box, when I got my base box, they had 2 items in there that I had already received. So what they did was they sent me 2 replacement items. So I can appreciate that. I really can. And I'm thankful that they were able to look and see that, hey, we sent her 2 of the same products, and then they end up sending me out 2 different products. So thank you, Boxycharm, for that. I appreciate that. But This palette was beautiful. This was absolutely freaking gorgeous. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. Now, I've never had a palette from Illimass. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong, but when I used this product today, she was gorgeous. No fallout, just absolutely gorgeous. And the products were creamy. They went on so beautifully. So beautifully. Just gorgeous. I mean, I don't know. Let's do this purple one. So beautiful. I mean, they went on so good, so effortlessly. So yeah, I was excited to receive this palette. I don't know how much this is going for, but I was very excited to get this. So overall, what we got in our box, we got our Illimass makeup palette right here. We received, well, this was the extra product they sent me. So I mean, I can't complain. I'm very happy. I can appreciate that. So in our premium box for the month of February, I received the Vike makeup remover spray. We received the Christopher Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist right here for the hair. We received the Prime for the Night Eye Primer. We received the Uma Badass MF Lip Liner. That's crazy. The name crazy. We received this eyelash, what is this? What is this called? Dime Eyelash Boost Serum right here. What else did we get? And we received our Huda Beauty Palette right here. And then the extra, and then they sent me an extra palette right here for sending me 2 duplicates in my base box. So I'm happy with this box. This box was dope. I received these 2 palettes. Okay, and then it was cool. My favorite product in this box was definitely this Huda Beauty palette right here, and then this Illimass palette. So we got a good box. So we definitely finna do, we get to do a boxy dance. We get to do a boxy dance. This definitely made, this was redemption from the freaking base box. That base box had me depressed, okay? The base box was it was a no. It was a no. But I enjoyed that premium box. This is why I continue to pay for these boxes. But I don't know about the base box. That base box might be done by the night. For real, for real. So that was it. We finna do our boxy dance, okay? Y'all get ready with me. Put your hands out.
And we finna just go boxy, go boxy, go boxy, go boxy, go boxy, go boxy. We doing boxy dance. Wait.
I'm too big for this shit, okay? That was a good box. I love that box. So that is it for this video. Okay. Thank you for coming to see me. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me. I would appreciate it so much. We just be doing some boxes every now and again, some wigs, a little makeup. That's it. Nothing out the ordinary, okay? I know it's a million channels on here, but I'm one in a million. So hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. Come see me, come check me out. Comment down below. Let me know what you like in that box. Let me know what you received in your premium box for the month of February. And that is it. I'm gone. I'm happy. I'm happy now. Let me go put this stuff up, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every last one of y'all. To all my new subscribers, hello. How are you? And thank you. I appreciate y'all for real, welcome. And yeah, we're gonna do another box. I'm gonna try to get this. I got this. I got some. What is his name? Patrick Star. Is that One Size? I got some products from him that I ordered that's here. I'm gonna try to get that out within a few days or so, because I want to show y'all this. Is it a prime? I don't know. I don't want to call it no foundation, but we gonna get into it. So be looking out for that video. Thank you guys for coming to see me. I appreciate y'all so much. Let me go. Let me go. Wash that shit off my face, and it's time for me to go to bed. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Let me go. Let me go. I am ego tripping. And I'm out.